Welcome to JH. RentAHumanai is a platform that immediately grabs your attention with its unique concept. The premise is that AI agents employ real people to handle physical chores they cannot perform, such as running errands, making deliveries, or taking photographs. To get started, you register as a human, list your available services, and set your pricing. Ideally, the AI then matches you with tasks. While the idea is clever, the current execution feels unpolished and experimental. Browsing the site reveals it isn't yet a bustling marketplace with a high volume of jobs. Many listings seem like users testing the platform rather than offering serious employment, so do not expect a steady income here right now. The concept of AI renting humans can feel a bit strange depending on your perspective. Although it functions similarly to gig platforms like TaskRabbit or Fiverr, the branding leans heavily into a dystopian sci-fi aesthetic. This provocative approach was likely designed to go viral, and that part of the strategy definitely worked. Security measures are currently limited, and the site even includes warnings regarding potential scams. Be cautious and avoid moving your communications off the official platform. Ultimately, RentAHumanai feels more like a tech demonstration that has escaped into the real world. It is an intriguing curiosity that might evolve into something practical later, but for now, it is more of a novelty than a legitimate gig site. If you are exploring it for fun or to see the future of AI-human collaboration, it is worth a look. However, if you need dependable work, you should probably look elsewhere.